student in 9th grade, and I joined the course of Aviation AU, and I genuinely understood a lot from it, like how the plane moves, how the flaps move, how the plane moves in the air, the different types of movements, and the 3 different types of degrees.
This past week, it made me feel like I'm actually a university student, and it showed me what to be like in the future. We spent most of our time in the workshop dealing and creating some stuff and learning stuff we never did before, and also some time in the simulator flying helicopters and planes, something that was way harder than I expected, that I never expected to be that hard. So it shows me how hard a pilot's job can be.
Personally, it has been an amazing and a very mesmerizing experience. So if you're a person like me, I advise you to join the Australian University to learn more about planes, because the staff here are very hospitable and are amazing at their jobs. The teachers as well, they explain everything so nicely and very simply.
I've met some lovely people here. I've learned a lot about aviation and airplane engineering, like aircraft engineering. I've seen the airplane from inside, I've seen the aircraft, I've seen the engine, how they function. I know the differences between the engines and stuff. And we had a lovely time here, and I would love to try this again.
صراحة تعلمت وايد أشياء، ثقفت نفسي، تعلمت أشياء أنا ما كنت أعرفها من قبل. مثلاً تعلمت أنواع المكاين اللي تخص الطيارات، وحتى بعض أنواع المكاين الصغيرة اللي تخص هم السيارة. وثاني شيء استفدت شغلة وايد حلوة من هني، إن تعرفت على ناس زينين، وصراحة نفكر إن أكمل بالجامعة لأن جامعة زينة ووايد حلوة.